Today we're going to take a look at HBAR and specifically the Saucerswap protocol. There's something they're doing in the near future that I don't think you're going to want to miss. Let's take a look. Welcome to the APY Guy channel. If you like passive income and you like earning extra yield on your cryptocurrency, then you're going to love this channel. So make sure you subscribe to it and drop a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. I've covered Saucerswap on this channel before, and I just love the protocol. It's getting to be like the Uniswap of HBAR, in my opinion. They just have a lot going for it, and they're adding a lot of new innovative things. So I like to cover this every once in a while to show you the updates on what they're doing. Okay, first of all, we're on Saucerswap.finance. Also, you're going to need a hashpack wallet or another HBAR type wallet. I'm always using the hashpack. It seems to work the best in my opinion. Okay, if this is your first time on Saucerswap, we'll go over the main components. The swap has quite a few different tokens. They have the HTS tokens, which are the hedera token service tokens. A lot of mainstream ones like Aave. There's Ape on there. There's, I believe, Quants on there, LCX, WAVAX, wrapped AVAX, and wrapped Bitcoin as well. And then if we go on to liquidity, to add liquidity, you can go here. They just it's really easy to use. Add token A to token B to make it a liquidity pair. And then if we go over to farming, the main one that I'm in is the HBAR and that's because you earn yield on the HBAR half of the liquidity pair. That's the Stater Labs HBAR that's staked token. So you're earning the yield from that staked HBAR, and then you're pairing it with regular HBAR, and then you're earning yield on the liquidity pair from farming as well. So you're getting a over 13% APR from that liquidity pair, plus you're getting the yield from the HBAR Stater Labs token, that's staked HBAR token. Okay, I'll go ahead and add liquidity and add it to the farm to show you how to do it step by step. Right here, I got 100 HBAR. Let's say we're going to do 25% of it into HBAR. So we're going to go to HBAR and we're going to swap 25%. That's going to be 25.11 HBAR. And it's going to give us 20.32 HBAR. We're going to go ahead and hit swap. We're going to approve it on our wallet. And then once that goes through, pretty quickly it should, we're going to add liquidity. So we're just waiting for confirmation. It says done. Okay, so that is done. Now we have our HBAR. Now we're going to go to liquidity. So we're going to pick token A as HBAR, token B is going to be HBAR. And then we're going to add the max amount of HBAR, and then we're going to hit supply. And that's going to supply the liquidity pair. So that's going to make it half staked HBAR and half regular HBAR. So it should just take a second. Once that's done, it's done. Now we're going to go ahead and add it to the farm. So if we go to farm, we go to the top pair here, which is HBAR. We click on the drop down box. We hit stake. We hit max stake. It looks like we got 22.52 liquidity tokens. We hit stake, and we're going to go ahead and approve that. All the transactions are a very minimal amount of gas. It's less than 0.31 HBAR, so it's less than 2 cents. So we're done. It says staked. Let's go back and make sure everything's good. And yes, we are good to go. So we have, that's how you add it. You swap your tokens to get the 2 tokens that you want. You go to liquidity. You add liquidity for token A and token B. And then once you have your liquidity pair tokens, you go to farm and you add it to whatever farm you were going for. Okay, now that we got the farm down, if we go to where it says stake, it's going to say stake your sauce to earn triple rewards without the risk of impermanent loss. So the deal with this is you take your sauce from your rewards, or you can just buy it and you stake it. When you stake it, you receive X sauce. The cool thing about this is eventually the X sauce is going to be used in community pools, which is like a single stake. So you're going to stake your X sauce in the community pools, and you're going to earn the Hedera token service tokens, which is awesome. Because this could be a variety of different tokens. It could be Quant, it could be AVAX, it could be Bitcoin. So right at the moment, you can stake your sauce tokens and get triple rewards, or you can, and you get the X sauce token as like a redeemable token. You can take that over to the farm and you can make an LP, split it up and earn extra rewards with the X sauce LP currently. And then when this step 2 starts, then you can take that X sauce and put it in the community pool to earn the Hedera token service tokens, which is my plan in the future. So I just like how they're doing multiple ways for you to earn if you keep the token, because usually the tokens that are in a DEX, the reward token, usually they get sold off really quickly. So what they're doing is they're finding ways to combat that and to have people hang on to those tokens and use them to their advantage. If you take a look at the farms, there are some really cool ones. If you just have USDC, it's still paying out at over 12 or almost 13%, over 13% APY. If you want Quant HBAR, which is a good one, is over 11%. If you're an ETH person or Bitcoin, they're getting around 16%. And then there's other stablecoin ones too down here. Link, if you're into Link, there's one for Link. And this WAVAX, this wrapped AVAX one is still super high, in my opinion. LCX is a good one. There's just a ton of different good pools or farms on this site that are worth getting into. Then you're earning that sauce token, plus you're earning some HBAR as well. And that HBAR, what my strategy is, I'm taking the HBAR rewards and I'm transferring those over to my Hashpack staking wallet. I guess if you wanted to, you could keep everything in this protocol. You could take your HBAR rewards and you could split them up into HBARX and HBAR and put them back into here. I just don't like to keep everything in one protocol. I like to kind of split my stuff up. So I take those rewards and I send them to my Hashpack wallet and I stake those for the regular HBAR reward. One more thing is if you hit portfolio, they show you exactly what you have in here. They show your staking, your liquidity pools, your farms, and what you have in the infinity pool and how much you've earned. Really cool dashboard there. I just like this protocol in general. I just think they have cool things coming in the future with the staking of the X sauce, which is basically like a free reward or a free receipt token that you can stake to earn extra rewards of those Hedera token service tokens. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.